Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and idea that you can use to look all put together. Things that you need to avoid if you want to look all put together. These things I've been mentioning are things that are very simple. Most of us might not even put any second thought about it. You might not even give a damn about it. Like, who cares? I'm just gonna step out of my way the way I like. It is my life, it is my clothes. I dress the way I choose to dress. Most time it is better for us to to abide by all these simple tips that will elevate our look.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. This video is sponsored by Dozier perfume. Alright ladies, you all might have heard me or have seen a lot of review about this company on my channel. Yes, so for the reason why I try to introduce or reintroduce this product to you all is for the benefit of most people that will be coming across my channel maybe in the future, or and they've never heard about Dozier. So I don't want to just assume that everybody have heard about Dozier perfume before. So that's the reason why I like to reintroduce or introduce or explain how this company works. Dozier perfumes are perfume companies that are into making perfumes that are tailored towards the high-end brand. They are not fake. I like to emphasize on that word. They are not fake. They are just tailored. Those high-end perfumes are inspired by the perfumes that Dozier Perfume Company produces. On their website, you'll be able to come across different types of high-end brand that they are inspired by. If you don't know which one you like, they do have quiz on their website that you can actually take that will help you or tailor you towards choosing your perfect perfume that will fit your personality. And also they make their website so easy that when you go into their website, you will see other high-end brand names that those perfumes are inspired by. Then you can go by that to be able to pick which one you prefer or which one you want to purchase. About Dozier perfume is that they are risk-free purchase. What do I mean by that? It means that when you purchase from them and they send the product to you and you don't get the same experience that you're expecting to get, you can return it back and they will refund your money back. That is what I mean by risk-free purchase. Another thing about Dozier perfume is that their bottles are so travel friendly, the sizes, and on each bottles they have the notes that those perfumes are, the notes that enter their perfume. But before I continue on this video, I would like to say thank you once again to Dozier Perfume for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for the collaboration again. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So my number one point of things to put together, in order for you to to look all put together, things that you need to avoid. First of all, let's talk about animal prints. We all know that leopard, tiger skin, for animals, most times they have two-tone. So if you're going to do animal print, try and stay away for the ones that has colored mixed with them. And the reason is because it becomes complicated. You don't know which one you're going for. If you're going to be leopard, if it's going to be tiger skin, if you're going to be any other animal prints, you stay between the ones that have two-tone. Stay away from the one that has dot of red, yellow, neon green and all that here, except you're going for a peacock style. My number two things that I'm going to advise or recommend, it's up to you if you want to go with these tips, but these are the things I feel like it's working for me and I'm sharing with you all, and I believe it's going to work for most of the people out there that they want to look very simple and elegant and feminine. All right, so the number 2 point that I'm going to mention is going to be designer prints. I for one, I prefer to have a designer. If I'm gonna go for designer brands, I prefer to have logos that are not too like loud, in your face kind of a logo. Logos that are very loud are just not, it doesn't make your outfit look all put together. Imagine wearing a dress that has Dior written all over from head to toe. That is just way too much. You can never look all put together with that kind of print written all over it. But if you have something that's just speak for itself, just a little, you know, logo here at the front or at the back around the purse, is just tiny as it can be. Even if it's big and it's just in one place, that is still acceptable. That's just my own opinion. I don't know how you feel about it. This might hurt some people out there. They would think that, what is she talking about? It's my money. I can do whatever I like. Yes, I understand it's your money, but we are talking about if you want to look all put together. So before I move to the third point I'll be sharing with you, I have two perfumes from Dozier to present to you today. This is where we have all the information about the perfume that you are about to try. And this one is inspired by Gucci. For those of my ladies there that likes Gucci, this one is inspired by it, and this one is 16% concentration. The top notes, I'm going to put them on the screen as usual in order not to prolong this video. Of course, I can see green leaves, orange, honeysuckle. This one is called Flora Honeysuckle. All right, I'll put the top note, the middle note, and the base notes. I'll put them on the screen in order not to prolong this video. For the benefits of people that will be coming across Dozier perfume for the first time, like I said, they are not fake. They are inspired by eye hand. All right, this is how it looks in the bottle, and it's magnetic cover. It's 50 ml. You also have all the notes written on the bottle, just in case if you misplace this card. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my wrist, and I'll tell you what I feel about it. I do not have Gucci perfume at home, but I've never even tried it in the store before, so I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm just gonna try it and let you know how I feel about it. All right, it's sweet, it's soft, and it's feminine. Like, that's what I can tell. It doesn't smell like something for men. This smells like a female perfume. I can smell the flowery scent in it, because like I said, I saw green leaves, jasmine, you know, I saw sandalwood, vanilla. Oh yeah, it smells so good. It smells so good, and it smells like something that will stay on you for a long time. It is beautiful. It is soft. I don't want to prolong the matter. I always tell you, please don't sleep on this. If you want to experience Gucci, this one is the Bloom, because they have different type of Gucci perfume out there. This one is inspired by Gucci, the Bloom. All right, so I'll encourage you to go and check this website out, purchase this, and see if you like it. If you don't, risky purchase, you can always send it back to them and they will refund back your money. The top points that I'm going to be sharing with you in order to look all put together, things that you need to avoid: buttons that are very big, especially when they are dripping. Like, you know that the button is already loose. It's easy to put button together. Most of us are not we are not a fashion designer or seamstress. Yes, I think that's the right word, seamstress. We are not fashion designer. Some of us don't have the idea or the knowledge of how to, you know, put tag button back into the shirts when it's loosening up. But you can easily Google this, or just YouTube it rather. You can easily YouTube and see how to reattach to your button back onto your shirt. Another thing I can encourage you to do is, most times there are some button that comes with your shirts that you just feel like those buttons make your shirt or your dress to look like very, very cheap. Let me use that word this time. Most time I don't like to use cheap, I like to say affordable. But there's some button that will just knock down the price of that outfit. So the best thing I would recommend for you is to switch those buttons out. Take them out and look for another button that you feel will be fit that particular outfit, and attach those buttons to the dress or the shirt or whatsoever, and you will see how elevated the shirt and the dress or whatever you're trying to replace, it's going to look good and look very way expensive and all put together. The fourth point that I'm going to mention right now, it's a no-brainer. We all know that crop tops, they are not meant for everybody. All right, I'm not here to body shame anybody, but crop tops are not meant for everybody. If you are like me, I like to wear crop tops, but the way I do wear crop tops is I wear crop top with high-waisted pants or high-waisted jean or high-waisted skirts, just for me to be able not to show too much of skin. All right, so if you're wearing a crop top and your stomach it's not in the perfect condition that it's supposed to be, we all know what I'm talking about, so I don't need to stress too much about it. It just doesn't make you look all put together. If your muffin top is showing at the side and your stomach is protruding all over, it doesn't make you look all put together. So avoid wearing crop top that are all the way up. Yes, they are crop top, but you don't want to wear the ones that are all the way up and your skirt or your dress or your shirt is sitting on your waist. That's just going to make you not look all put together. So I would recommend you get, you know, high-waisted jeans, high-waisted pants, high-waisted skirts, and your crop top will sit a little bit on top of it and you reveal just a little skirt. Do you know you can mix two perfumes together to get your own experience? Some of us will do this at home, that we just mix 2 or 3 perfumes together just to be able to know, personalize our own scents, that people won't be able to know which one and which one you're doing. On Dozier perfume, you can actually do that. Like the one I'm about to present to you, if you have no idea of what perfume to put together for you to be able to get some wonderful and everlasting, you know, experience that people are going to be wowed, on Dozier perfume, they normally put perfume that goes together, that will work together. They put them right there on their website and they make the job easier for you. That fruity brown sugar inspired by YSL. This is it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, because as usual I have the perfume, you know, the one that is inspired by Gucci, and I will let you know my experience. I do not have YSL perfume at home, but I will let you know how I feel about this. Oh my god, as in, I'm just speechless. It smells so good, and it smells like perfume that will stay on you for a long time. It's feminine too. I think this one has some flowery scent in it too. Yes, it does have some flowery scent in it. This is very good. This is very good for if you want to feel very elegant, you don't want to seduce, you know. It's just like something that you can use for seduction. I'm not gonna lie to you. It smells so good. Ladies, please don't sleep on this perfume from Dozier. I'll put the link to this company in the description box and my discount code. My number 5th point that I'm going to mention, things to know, what to wear to put to make you look all put together, things to avoid. Netting clothing outfits. Some of us might be familiar with this. There was a time back in the days I used to wear it, but I don't wear it no more. I know better now. If I'm gonna wear things like that, it might be to the beach or to the pool. So instead of wearing netting clothing or clothes that are made from nets or fish nets, yes, that's what we used to call it back in the days. All right, I would recommend you wear something with a sheer, you know, sheer material. Maybe that will just reveal a little bit of skin on your arm, on your back, on your sleeve, you know, just sheer material. That will even give you a little bit of, you know, you're going to look a little bit more elegant if you have sheer material comparing to wearing fishnets. Fashion is who you want to represent, who you want to represent, who I want to represent, and to me, fashion is comfort. The next point I'm about to mention, which is the point 6, some people are going to go like, what is she talking about? That is for my own personal opinion. I mean, this is my own personal opinion. It's up to you if you want to do it or you don't want to do it. I'm not forcing anybody. Remember, this video is just for an idea, tips. So it's possible for you to pick it up. It's possible for you to dump it on the way out of this video. All right, ladies, Distressed jeans. There are some distressed jeans that I just feel like if you want to look all put together, you can never look elegant in a, let me just say how it is. There is no way you look elegant in some distressed jeans. They look like you just been fought by a dog, like they look like a rag, and they are expensive. Why will you buy clothes that are that expensive that doesn't make you look all put together? If you want to do distressed jeans, back in the days when I used to do it, I still wear something under it, a little bit, something that would look like a sheer material that you want to show your skin, right? You still see a little bit of my skin when I wear things like that. I've never worn a distressed jeans like just straight from the factory. I don't know why I like to use that word. I always put something on that. Then I got to a stage I was like, what's the point of wearing something under it? The style is for you to, is meant to be worn like that. So, and I feel like it's not my style no more, so I stopped wearing it. But if you want to wear it, I would say stay with those ones that are not too big, you know, that they rip here and there, that you look like you just fought a dog or a lion just ran into you, or you ran into a lion. I don't know how to put it, but that's just the best way I could put it. All right, ladies. The last point that I'm going to mention, if you want to look put together, things to avoid, I would say neon colors. Let me finish, right? Because some people will be wondering, what does she mean? If you're wearing neon from head to toe, that is just too much. It's not going to make you look all put together. It's not going to make you look very ghetto. And another way that I would recommend it, you could pop in a neon, you know, like a pink neon blazer, lemon green blazer, depending on the season. You know, you don't want to do neon all the way from your head to toe. It's just going to not make you look all put together. Please avoid it. And this concluded the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.